The next station is Gocho.
Wait. The picture of vlog to, by the way. Tayo. Calling our supportive moms. Goodbye. Oh, hi guys. Okay guys, nakasettle na kami.
We just passed immigration.
We're waiting for our flight na lang.
Our flight na
2 hours to go.
girls trip.
Yeah, we're going to Japan. Ay, wala. Deserve ko naman. Kahit panganay na nga siya, nagawa niya pa yung windows. Kasi deserve ko, guys. 428. Super dami na nangyari. Nasira yung laptop niya. Ay, nasira na yung maleta niya. Hindi namin alam yung gagawin. And we're so lost, guys. So, magtataksi na lang kami. Hindi na pala. Magtataksi na lang pala kami. Nabuhat kami ng buhat. Oh, we're so lost. I think... Okay guys, nagbe-base na kami sa map kasi we really don't know kung nasan kami. Bet na super haggard na kami. Hindi na namin alam yung sasakyan namin. So kung ano na lang. Guys, one more station left and we're gonna be home. Napabili na kami ng Coke, guys. Super tired. Grabe ang red.
Because that was the hardest part of our trip ever.
Currently,
4:53 na guys. Ngayon lang kami nakadating.
Ang daming train stations.
Well,
Feel ko
actually,
magkaka-muscles na ako.
ako din. Tsaka madali lang naman siya.
Actually, madali siya.
Diba? Hindi namin nagtataksi na lang pala kami.
Pero, magigets mo siya at one point.
Yeah. So, mag-freshen up. Mag-rest muna kami. See you later. Room tour, hallway. Ito yung labas. And then, here's our CR. My washing machine. And, ayan, may mini bathtub. Maliligo na ako guys at sobrang init at lagkit ko na. Bye. Sa spiral na curve. Oh, guys. Finish this na sa...
Oh my gosh.
Oh, ang sarap.
Parang ang sarap.
We're still eating dinner.
Hap!
Yan,
Nagtubi o ikaw.
Sa ate kasi lagi sa sa phone.
Lagi siyang overhype.
Oh, wrong. Okay, test.
See? Hindi ako OA, guys. Let's see. Next one to taste is
Jana's dessert.
Jana's dessert. This is peach and mandarin. I kinda don't like it.
Can I taste?
Sorry guys, ayoko ng peach.
Huwag niyo sayangin.
Patrice.
Ang baho, may paagod. So cute!
Wow,
Look, guys.
that looks so fun. I want that.
Ay, akin yung flower, akin to. There's a spoon.
Baka
Ay, hindi,
toothpick.
Wait. It's melting.
1, 2, 3, go.
Sakto lang.
Okay lang. So, ang the best one, guys, it's my dessert.
Morning, guys. Getting ready for this day.
Ang sarap niya.
What's this?
Ang sarap, no? So,
What's this?
hi guys, just finished breakfast. Thank you guys. Ba't ang blurred? Okay. Ang cute tong glasses. Okay, iniwan na namin mga bag namin para wala na kaming dala-dala. Titingin muna kami bago kami mag-tour. Nagmamatch sa amin.
Mine is this.
And mine is head.
I love Dobby.
Patrice with her twin.
For your information, guys, sabay. Ako tawag nilang Dobby.
Alam na akong bibilin agad. Our boyfriend, Diggory Malfoy Potter. Mag-a-acting na kami.
I don't like my outfit.
Ito yung mga... Guys, this is the cabinet. Ano kayang fear ang lalabas?
Oh my gosh, feel so big black.
Lunch is served. This is mine. Hamburger steak, curry, fried chicken, rice, and my very special Hedwig cake. I'm so excited to eat. Gutom na kami. Okay, ganito siya. Proof na hindi ako nag-OA.
It's so good, Jana. Okay kaming dalawa.
Ang sarap, no? It's so good. It's over there. So happy.
Ubus ko na.
Ubus na. Kasi paghubat gas sa ibang vlog natin for her. This is so fun. Baba.
Road trip! Road trip!
Wow! Eh, yung isa pa dito, feel na pa mag-drive.
Oh, hello. Sorry, that was a bit rude. No fit statement to take today.
Finish, guys! It was so tiring. Lobat na rin ako, so bye!
Ano? 150 pataas.
Thank you. Konnichiwa! Konnichiwa! Ang cute, guys. Mine is purple.
Mine is pink. I don't know what color this is.
Ngayon, on our way na kami papunta sa temple at magpipicture.
Ate pa, ang sakit sa pesa.
Thank you! Daming tao.
Thanks, guys.
Number ko, 48. Hanapin na natin.
Bad fortune.
Nakita ko nga may nagtatali din dun eh. China. China to. Gusto niya mag-picture sa pala. So, bumili pala ako ng film cam for tomorrow.
Hey guys, you wash your hands with the magic water of Mount Fuji.
Like,
You also wash your hands. Ang shock.
Dating takoyaki. Ang init na siya. Time to eat. Buffet. And some
Here's tourism information center. Stand within your sign.
we're here. Ang cute. This is blue rose and lavender.
Nemophilia and
Okay.
may sawang.
Oo. Here.
Yeah, the tip. Medyo yung
Oo.
tip niya.
At least nagpakita siya. Okay, Mount Fuji tour done!
Ang lamig dito.
Oo nga, super lamig. Ganito pa yung suot ko, ang lamig-lamig.
Parang cute ko din.
I'll get to that because
Okay.
Sí, pero necesito espacio para pasar. ¿Cómo le hago?
We're in Shibuya!
And Japan! Galit lang yan siya.
Kaya nga,
Wrapping na.
okay. See you later. Kagagaling naming Onitsuka and wala yung gusto kong design.
Buti naman
Sayang.
wala.
Ito na ang binili ko, guys. Charm.
Please come to the guide terminal.
Ben 10 plate. Triangle formation ulit.
But we stop laughing. 1, 2, 3, go.
Good morning. It's fun, guys. Tunain on curry and pancakes. Super sarap. Sarap no? I love this. Ang sarap.
Can I take another bite?
Ang sarap, guys.
Buti nahanap po kayo, sir. Wala ba nang kapag...
Okay, quick snack bago kami umalis. This is strawberry cheesecake. This is iced matcha. Nag-iisip siya kung bibili din siya ng matcha kasi guys, ang sarap, ang sarap.
Makikisip lang ako. Parang hindi ko, alam ko kasi hindi ko siya naubos.
For our flight. And I think ito na din yung last. So, bye everyone! Thank you for watching. Feel ko medyo magulo at ang daming nangyari and mga hindi ko na film but bye!